London is iconic. It's beautiful, historic, and it's also notorious for draining your bank account. But on our recent family trip, we saved hundreds, and it started the moment we landed at London Heathrow Airport. Instead of blowing 30 plus euros on an expensive airport taxi or private shuttle to the hotel, we walked through the airport to the Heathrow Central bus station to catch the 111 public bus. For less than 2 euros each, it dropped us off at Wayne Avenue, just a short walk to the Moxy London Heathrow, which was our home base during this budget-friendly family trip. In this area, you'll see that there's a sign that'll show you 19, 105, 111. That's what you're looking for. I'm going to show you the Moxy London Heathrow Airport and why it's such a great little hidden gem for you to stay outside of the city, but just commute in. So let's take a look. It is pretty cool, great for younger travelers. It gives you a lot of seating area in here. There's actually lockers back here. I'm gonna peek and show you that really quickly because they don't have safes in the room. So you are gonna have to utilize these lockers if you have any valuables that you wanna keep in the hotel. But as you see here, they have a little bar. You check in over there with the bar area. A lot of workspace, snacks. And then there's an area here where you can just kind of eat and then just enjoy. Little area over here if you want to just grab some water. And fill it up here. A microwave. And then there are some plates over here that you can use for them, she said. 1069, and we're gonna go in and check it out. So, looks like some closets. Caroline, you gonna show us around?
Yeah, so there's some closets right there. There's a mirror right there. There's like a little bench so you can put your clothes right here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of space in there.
Okay.
I love how cute this room is because it's like so tiny, and I'm tiny. We got like a little desk here, like nice little, and a bed, and some, yeah, and a small TV. Everything here is a little bit small. And then we have another bedroom. And then
this is the sofa that folds out to a bed. They have it made up for us.
And then we have
TV here. Looks like there's some little tea service here. And let's check out the bathroom.
And then we have the bathroom.
Just one bathroom, but it's pretty large, so that's good. Turn on the lights, Caroline. So, looks like it's an accessible. All right, that's what we have. Look at 1096. Let's see, so you walk in, same deal. Got a little coffee set up, very small room, but 2 twin beds. Let's see. And this is going to be a view of, I guess, the main street there. So yeah, just a couple of beds, and then we'll check out the bathroom. It's going to be just, you know, a simple setup where you have a shower. And then there is sink. Yeah. So this is the hotel, and if you walk down here, you can see there's a little convenience store. Here's another. The Wayne Avenue stop is here. Tesco Express, and the restaurant is right around the corner. It's right over there. Here is the menu for this cute little restaurant. It's a local restaurant that we discovered. It was right around the corner from the Moxy, and we ate there a few times. We found the items to be pretty good portion size, and the prices were affordable, especially when you compare them with downtown London. So we thought it was a great value. Traditional breakfast here.
Okay.
She got a
Bacon and cheese.
You're gonna come out of the Moxy. See, we're in front of the Moxy right here. And then what we're gonna do is skip over this bus stop over here on the right. And we're gonna go down this street to go across the street to the other bus, because the other bus is what's gonna get us toward the stop that we want. There's a Tesco, and we're gonna go this walkway across the street to that bus station. So once we cross over the street, we're gonna go over here to this bus stop right here. When you come in, you're gonna scan right here your credit card. Each person should be tapping their own card. For the stop, you're gonna press one of these buttons. When your stop says Hounslow West is next to bus stop. So you're gonna get out right here. This is the tube. So you're gonna just come on out here and be at the tube station. And then you're gonna go in here. When you get on the train, you can look at this map to see what stops are coming up, but I highly recommend you use the Google Maps, because depending on what time of day you travel, your route may be different.
First of all, I should explain what is the changing of the guard. What on earth are we actually going to see today? Well, it's seeing one group of soldiers who have been stood very still in front of our royal palaces, protecting them.
Those are the true King's Guards, I guess.
Bayonet, actually.
Cool.
Two of the guards that came marching.
Clarence House.
You might see them as they come on out in just a second. So yeah. You may notice one guard is like the captain has gone up to talk to the other one that's behind the tree. He's just got to get a clipboard. Now from that clipboard, it's a full as elegant looking as Buckingham Palace, but the amount of history to this building.
This is the one that we took a picture with. Oh, you know what? We should have taken phone booth. Is that what this is called? Leicester Square?